Well, hello lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe and I'm back with another video, which means another color. This beautiful vibrant peachy pink goes by the name of Atlanta. I can't wait to share. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Let's mix it up. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Mix it, lipstick game. Let's mix it up.
Before we jump into things, you guys, I just want to thank Dossier for sending me two fabulous scents and deciding to choose me to partner with my video. So a little bit about Dossier. They reproduce classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price. Affordability of their scents range from $29 to $59, while designer scents range from $100 up to $380 or more in retail. Comparison with the original perfume, they have received excellent feedback. As you guys know, I have worked with this brand before and I love their scents, and the comparison, oh my goodness, is spot on to some of our favorite luxury scents. Dossier sent me over two fabulous scents. The ones that I chose was the Fruity Almond, which is a dupe for the good girl Carolina Herrera. One of my favorite scents. It's so soft, it's so feminine, and it's so dainty. And I love how close, if not the same, that both of these scents are. It smells so good, you guys. It will definitely be on rotation this spring and summer. The next one that I chose is the infamous Baccarat 540, Baccarat Rouge 540. And you guys, when I tell you I love this scent, it smells just like Baccarat. The name of it is Ambre Saffron and it's available at a fraction of the price. So in today's video, I'll be using my lipstick creator kit, which includes my large 32-ounce lipstick base and my ISO remix. So to my bowl, I'm going in with my world famous base. You can grab this whole kit at veryveelobeauty.com. And shortly after that, I'm going in with some titanium dioxide. Always wear a mask, you guys. I can't stress the importance of it. You want to be safe, you guys, and responsible. So put that mask on before you mix all these powders. You do not want to breathe that in. And as you guys know, the full recipe to this video and all of my other archive recipes are on my Patreon. For a small monthly pledge of $5, you guys can have access to all of my recipes. I appreciate all of my patrons. You guys receive membership discounts and early access to all of my videos. So head on over to there, as we would love to have you. So I'm going in with my rubber spatula, like literally going in. I want to make sure that I am scraping the sides of my bowl. You guys, this is a wholesale order that I am making, hence the large bowl. I know you guys are used to seeing me mixing on the smaller scale, but I thought for a change that I should make a wholesale order. So here it is. I went in with my rubber spatula first and went right in with my hand mixer to make life easier. And then for the start of the show, I'm going in with the red 27 FD&C batch certified, of course, alum lake, and I am just mixing that in with my rubber spatula first before powering up that hand mixer to incorporate the pink into the white nicely.
Comfortable in my skin, cozy with who I am. Comfortable in my skin, cozy. Comfortable in my skin, cozy with who I am. Comfortable in my skin, cozy. Comfortable in my skin, feet up above your sins. I love myself, I am cozy. Been down, been up, been broke down, bounce back. Been off, been on, been back. What you know about?
Okay, you guys, so the next color addition is going to make our pink go from that pink to the peach, and that is the FD&C batch certified yellow number 5. And I am just incorporating that in to take that pink from a pink to a peach. Think about it like this: red and yellow makes orange, pink and yellow makes peach. So I am just folding that in with my rubber spatula And then I'm going to follow right behind that with my hand mixer. We got to get this color nice and peachy, hence the name Atlanta, for all of my ATL peaches.
Comfortable in my skin, cozy with who I am. Comfortable in my skin, cozy. Comfortable in my skin, cozy with who I am. Comfortable in my skin, cozy. Comfortable in my skin, feet up above your sins. I love myself, I am cozy. Been down, been up, been broke down, bounce back. Been off, been on, been back. What you know about that?
Alright guys, so I'm going in with some Kaolin Clay to help dry those oils that are present in the base, and take this from a regular lipstick, satin lipstick, to a matte lipstick. So this particular customer wanted ATL in matte, so that's what I'm gonna give her. So I'm putting in some elbow grease. As you can see, I wanted to do a wholesale order because I haven't done one in a while, and I wanted you guys to see, you know, just how, I'm not gonna say easy because I ain't gonna have y'all get on me, but how I like to do it the updated way. Now I'm going in, once I get that clay like a paste, that's what you want, I'm going in with my Isododecane remix, and I am going to incorporate that into the clay and the lipstick mixture, just like so, with my hand mixer. And you want to blend this very well. Take your time and make sure that you get all of that clay, while occasionally scraping the sides of the bowl, just to make sure that everything is incorporated, you guys. And just like that, our lipstick is matte. But what I want to do is make a bullet while I'm here. So I took in equal parts of my Very Veelo Beauty lipstick bullet base for the traditional bullets, and I took some of that finished product, that ATL peach that we just made, put it in a beaker, and I let it melt on low heat. That is so important, you guys, especially when adding it directly to the hot plate. My base already has the preservative in it, and we were under 140, so I did not need to add more preservative as it did not cook off. And I'm just adding it to my greased lipstick mold. I oiled it with some castor oil. This part is so important, you guys, because air bubbles will come up like an uninvited guest, and this is what I don't like about bullets. But bullets are so amazing, you guys. It's just like I have this relationship with bullets. I ain't gonna flex because of them air bubbles. But if you're sure to tap out those tap it before allowing it to form in the fridge. I put it in the fridge for about 25 minutes. You should be fine. And oh, my beautiful lipstick tubes were custom designed by none other than the El Sabor. She is one of my supporters. She has been one of my supporters from day one, you guys. Go head over to her Instagram and support her. You guys, she makes these fabulous tubes, and her tubes are insane. She sent me a whole box of these, so you'll be seeing a lot of her work. When I tell you phenomenal, this is like a whole nother level of talent. Oh my gosh. But yes, she sent me these beautiful tubes. I absolutely love the way they came out. They're so dazzling, so feminine. Oh my gosh, so glam. I told her, I was like, these are perfect for my vanity. And that's exactly where this is going to go, because you know I'm going to have this ATL on rotation for the spring and summer, okay? And then I'm just going in and I'm adding the finished product to a tube. I'm filling it up until I get to about that gold area. That's about 1 inch allowance. That's what you want, you guys. And I'm just adding in my stopper, and then I'm going to wiggle that doe foot wand up and down just so the product can level up to the top. You want to make sure you leave that space so it can go in effortlessly. And here I am swatching the liquid matte one that I just put into that tube. And as you can see, this swatch is giving. It is matte. Oh my gosh, it's drying so fast, so I gotta work quick, but the application is amazing. The color payoff is everything that I wanted it to be. You guys, I didn't hold back on the pigment, and yes, I love the way that it came out. It is so cute. It's giving more pink on camera, but I promise it is peach, and she is fabulous. Yes. But I have to show you guys the bullet. So I applied a brown liner and I added that bullet to the middle, and it came out absolutely gorgeous as well. My liner was satin, so it did take away from the matte part of the bullet a little, but I'm still in love. It came out so cute. I love it with this liner. It's like a corky lightish brown liner. I love the way it came out. And again, thank you so much Elsa Bohr for this glamorous tube. You guys show her some love. As always, I want to thank you so much for stopping by my channel and allowing me to share my gift with you guys. Stay blessed, stay safe, and stay fabulous. Bye for now.